My name is Charlie Stortz. I'm Vice President of AMP Global Strategies. We build huge infrastructures. We just completed rebuilding the 911 infrastructure for the Turks and Caicos Islands. We've worked throughout the United States. In our modern world of active shooter events, it starts with Columbine. Most of the people that are shot at an active shooter event don't die because of the initial event. It's because nobody can get to them to be able to help save their lives.
51% of mass shootings happen at businesses, including retail. On average, it takes 8 minutes for first responders to arrive on scene. With Brecourt Solutions Indoor Drone as a first responder, we won't wait. We are first responders on the scene, tracking and distracting the threat so that innocent bystanders can get away. Our drones send real-time video feed and location data to first responders and security teams. Brecourt detects, tracks, and malfunctions weapons. Handguns, rifles, and shotguns are the weapons used most in active shooting events. Brecourt's drones can malfunction these weapons, buying time, saving lives. Seconds matter. We won't wait.